Hi guys, this is my Chris pencil draw, simple draw. I have mistakes here. Minimally, you'll see that it's flat. You'll see it's flat because it's Chris pencil. What is in the front, it's also in the back. And it's 2D. You see 2D, yes. And that's from the image that I have here. You see that behind. If you see in the layout, it look like that. And I can laugh at myself because you see the nose here, that nose is, yeah, but not bad at all. Just draw like that, so simple as it is. And you can draw your self in Blender as Chris pencil. Simple. This one is very amateur, and yeah, I'm amateur, but I love how it look like. And you can create also what you can make, and try to make your own. It's amazing to make um, simple drawing that makes you happy. And hope that you have a nice, lovely day. Until here, this is RUCHALIAN. Don't forget to comment, and bye for now.